Yes,
Okay.
we're all inside. I'm
I'm so sorry.
चिपक के all giving interviews like this. Kapoor and Sons.
Okay, this is Kapoor and Sons, and I'm with the Kapoor and Sons guys, and they have a special saying about the Kapoor family. You guys know it? Kapoor, Kapoor, Sirf Kapoor.
कपूर की कपूरता सिर्फ एक कपूर का
काप सकता है
नहीं, नाप
सकता है.
Right. So tell me, at the end of the movie, have all of you guys napod the Kapoor ki putta?
Napot, Chatot, something, see, everything. What?
What was that word anyway?
No. I was saying,
Hey, that's a
edit
beat.
that out.
That's a
We're
beat.
napod. Yeah, that's a beat.
But tell me, this is a completely Punjabi film.
Yeah.
Okay, and two of you are no fit in. Tell me, how do you fit in?
How do I fit in?
How do I fit?
How does she not Punjabi?
I'm not Punjabi.
Aren't you Punjabi? Oh damn.
I'm just
दो बाहर है
loud.
मेरे.
I'm just loud.
Okay, so then tell me.
Punjabi, I don't think is a caste or is like a creed or something. Punjabi, I think is an attitude. You
Yeah.
have the attitude, you're Punjabi.
Yeah.
Nice shabash. Actually, what is your favorite Punjabi attitude?
Favorite Punjabi attitude?
Yeah.
I think खातिरदारी, मेहमान नवाजी जो खातिरदारी होती है, very lavish when they host a meal or make somebody else drink or just be play good host. They're very lovely.
Okay. Coming back to the movie, and it's got the two of you, and it's got Alia as the and.
Yeah.
So tell me, Alia, how is it playing and? It's like almost like playing a full stop.
But I don't. Yeah, but I think all the characters in the film are not just one full stop, but like this is continuing motion of the character growth. Yeah, it's very interesting playing the and, especially in this case because this Kapoor and Sons family is this world altogether, and then suddenly there's an outsider who comes in and watches the family from her perspective and her own story of her life, and it's very interesting. It's definitely a take on a modern day family. That's something that we've not seen really in a really long time.
Okay, so that Malhotra, this must be like home for you. So is there like a simile from your home and your family to this particular family?
Lots. My family has, I have an older brother, my parents, my dadi stayed with us, instead of dadu. But same, just in the film, Chachu used to come visit us. They actually stayed with us also. So yeah, I think there's so much that Shakun has also drawn from a real Punjabi middle class family. That's where what I think the USP of the film lies, that people will relate to it. They will feel that, oh, I can see my house in it. I can see my different... They could really see that मेरे drawing room ऐसी होता है. My brother's like this.
आपको ऐसे लगते हैं.
Correct. So I'm genuinely saying, I think this is the first time we've really deconstructed how a family should be and how we performed also and how Shakun is shot. Keeping it very, very real and into and very intimate.
Okay, how is it different from across the border? Are the families there different? Are they? How would a family like this fit into an across the border setting?
I think very much so. I think family structures overall, I think globally remain the same. It's just like छोटे मोटा जो है कोई ट्रेडिशन होगा, कोई ऐसी चीज़ होगी जो कि शायद कट हो जाए, but otherwise I think the interaction, the kind of candidness that is between, and that should be there, between family members. Although I feel that was not present there in our earlier generations. हमारे जो generations में होता था कि कोई एक आगे से बात करता तो एक झापड़ा. But now I feel, you see, the thing is that this family is, honestly speaking, a very modern and contemporary family. I think it reflects the right kind of values where you should be able to make conversation and befriend your parents or your children. And it's on that note, or maybe at least that emphasize that note. So that factor, I think, is the same everywhere.
Okay, one thing that you take away from Kapoor and Sons as far as family is concerned.
Yeah, I think communication. I think we all keep in a lot from our families. There's a lot of angst and hatred at times because we're extremely sensitive to them. So I think communicate before it's, sometimes it gets too late. Yeah.
What about you, Ali?
I think gratitude. Just to be grateful to have not only family members.
There's a line in the movie also which says ना कि मेरे पास तो है ही नहीं. You're blessed that तुम्हारे पास family है.
Yeah, I just say in a very generic way that at least तुम्हारी family तो है. You should be happy because there are many people who don't even have family. You should be happy that you have somebody to fight with also.
What about you, Paul?
I'd agree with Siddharth. I think that इससे पहले कि देर हो जाए, one should resolve grudges. Life is too short. Life is too short to carry on grudges and to carry hatred in your heart. And that not only goes for family, but for your attitude in general. And I think this film sort of teaches you that. Or not, it's not a preachy film. It doesn't teach you really, but it's sort of that's the moral of the story.
Okay. One last thing, and that is on the Friday. It is Holi. It's the Holi weekend because you're flowing into Holi. So what's the big message that you guys are sending out to everybody in the cinema? Sid, you need to move in.
Oh,
Sorry.
acha,
Yeah,
message.
everybody.
Firstly, yeah,
Go,
first,
go to the theaters first.
yeah, first do that.
Then think about Holi.
Then think about Holi, but
Or the
also
match.
play a very safe Holi and have fun and spend time with your family this Holi.
Yeah, take them out for Kapoor and Sons for this Holi.
Yeah, good idea. Very nice plan.
Okay, now Sid's got it just right. Thank you so much, guys. And
Thank
of course,
you.
it is fantastic as we be meeting up with you guys.
Thank you.
And all the very best for Kapoor and Sons. I hope it rocks the theater.
Thank you. Thank you so much.